When the people of Makkah refused to accept the message of the Prophet Muhammad, he hoped that perhaps the people of Taif would listen. So he set out for Taif with his loyal companion Zayd bin Haritha, R.A. There, the Prophet approached the leaders of Taif with love and kindness, saying, "I invite you to Allah, so that you may leave idol worship and worship only one God." But instead of listening, the people of Taif mocked him and behaved rudely. They even sent their children and servants to throw stones at him. The stones struck him so much that his blessed feet began to bleed, and his shoes filled with blood. Zayd, R.A., tried to shield him, but he too was injured. The Prophet, tired and wounded, finally sat down in a garden. There, under the shade of a tree, he raised his hands and prayed, "O Allah, I complain to you of my weakness, my helplessness, and the way people treat me. O most merciful of the merciful, as long as you are not angry with me, I do not care what happens." The owners of the garden, seeing his condition, sent a Christian servant named Adaz with some grapes. When Adaz saw that the Prophet said Bismillah before eating, he was surprised, for the Arabs never said such words. He asked, "Who are you?" The Prophet replied, "I am the Prophet of Allah, just as Yunus, Jonah, was a prophet." Hearing this, Adaz was deeply moved. He kissed the Prophet's hands and said, "This is the face of a man who never lies." This story teaches us that one who stands firm on truth never gives up. Even in pain,